Hey, what's up everybody? It's Renee again with Pulse Automation and Security. Hey, we're back on one of our job sites, one of the custom homes that we've been working on. We are in phase 2 of this project, which is called trim out. I wanted to go over the couple of phases of construction, at least for us, the low voltage integrator. I know it's different for some of the other trades that are on the job, but for us, we have 4 phases of the installation on a new home project. Number 1 is the rough-in or pre-wire phase. That's when it's all bare bones, open stud walls, open ceiling, that whole bit. When the home is just under construction, we run all of our cabling at that point, all the conduit and all the infrastructure that we're going to need to support this project through its life. Next is where we're at now, called the trim out phase. That's when cabinets are going in, painting has been mostly done. That's when we start installing the in-ceiling speakers and we put in all the wall plates. Primarily we're here to plug holes. So any open holes in the walls or ceilings, that's what we're back here to do. After that, we'll do the installation phase. That's when we come out and we install the AV rack goes in, the networking equipment, the Wi-Fi access points, the routers, switches, TVs go up at that point. We do a lot of initial programming then. We set up the Wi-Fi, we start getting devices online, getting the system probably about 95% of the way. And then the last final phase is called commissioning. And that's when we meet with you, the homeowner, after you've moved in. We go over the entire system with the entire family. We teach everybody how to use the system. We go over the life of the system. We talk about service and emergency issues. We go over maintenance plans. We finalize the Wi-Fi stuff, user logins, Netflix, Hulu's, all that stuff is all done at that point. So that is the 4 phases of construction for us, the low voltage integrator. That's kind of our plan. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.